Uh-oh. Of course, I cut the box that's inside of it by going too deep. Hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. In this video, I'm going to be opening up these packages. It's been a while since I've done like a multiple unboxing like this because most of the time when I get packages in, I need them right away. But all these packages came at around the same time. Some of these actually have to do with my peripherals, which I wanted to use this video as an opportunity to talk about, kind of give you guys an update on what I use for my peripherals. But yeah, we're going to check all this out, and hopefully you might find something interesting here that you may want to check out or buy yourself. Let's get right into it. First package we're going to open up is this one right here, and this is from WASD Keyboards. The keyboard that I am now using is the Keychron K4. I bought this because I was really missing the 10 key or the numpad, and this keyboard has it, except it's not in the typical 104 key layout, it's in the 100, so everything is kind of smushed together, as you can kind of see right here. And I'm coming from this keyboard. This is just a Velocify keyboard. It's nothing special, but it served me pretty well. It's just not the same using the top row of numbers. I really don't have any complaints about it except for the missing numpad, and I did have one other reason for going to the Keychron K4, and that's because this one is Bluetooth as well, which was a pretty big deal for me. This one, it was 2.4 gigahertz wireless, so it needed like a little dongle. Just getting more Bluetooth devices made it so that I just don't need more of the dongles. So yeah, these are custom keys, which I'm going to open right now for this keyboard. I thought on these for a while. I finally did decide to pull the trigger because I want my keyboard to kind of have a custom look that kind of represents me and not just this generic kind of like light gray and dark gray colors that we have going on here. I was able to pick my own colors per key and the color of the legends on them. Inside we have white and green keycaps. It cost me, after tax and shipping and handling, it cost almost as much as the keyboard itself. It was $94.56, and that's a bit pricey, and I wasn't too happy about paying that just because I'm super cheap. But considering this is going to be my keyboard for the next, I don't know how many years to come, my main keyboard, I thought it was worth the investment just to have it be more personalized and be mine. I would have tried to get a cheaper set, but a lot of the other ones wouldn't have worked. A lot of the cheaper sets like from Amazon or AliExpress and stuff like that, you would think that, oh, maybe I can just get a 104, you know, standard keyboard key set, and you can't do that because this one actually has shorter, some of the shorter keys here. Oh my goodness, my keyboard is so greasy right now. This is embarrassing. But yeah, they're not the standard size, so I kind of had to get them from WASD Keys. I didn't know of any other place. Oh man, this is gonna take a while to install, but let's just do it so we can see what it looks like. And here we have it. Here's the completed keyboard, and this is what it'll look like when the backlighting is turned on. I'll probably change that to green or white, but I wish the green that they had was a little bit darker. I don't think the camera's capturing it too well, but this is a little bit lighter of a green than what my channel signature color is. But there wasn't really a choice for me to change the tone of the green. And just for a size comparison to my old keyboard, these two are basically the same length, even though the K4 has a complete numpad, and the K4 is a little bit narrower, it's not as wide, so it does save space on the desk. I will probably eventually build my own keyboard from scratch. I'm sure that's going to take a while to gather up all the components for it, and it's going to cost a lot, so this keyboard is definitely going to serve me well as my main keyboard until then. But yeah, that is my keyboard, and the next thing we are going to open up, let me move this out of the way. This is a collaboration between Space Cables and Brian Phillips from Bad Seed Tech. If you don't know who that is, I'll post his information down below. He's a super cool dude. This is actually a mouse mat that I bought to kind of, you know, show my support. And we're gonna open it up right now and check it out. So this was $25, and then I think with like $6 or so shipping, so it worked out to be around $31. Oh, this looks nice. It looks really nice in person. So it's got a pretty neutral tone. It has a carbon fiber design, but if you can see right here, here's Brian's logo. It's probably pretty hard to see. It is very subtle. Let me bring over my other mouse mat just to compare the quality. This is just a generic plain one from Amazon. They are exactly the same size. Almost exactly the same bottom rubber grip. They have stitch edges, so I would say these two are almost identical, except one has a design on it and one does not. My Amazon one, I believe, cost me like 20 bucks. So one of them has a little bit of a premium on it because it has a design. But you know what? This Amazon mouse mat, when I bought it, I don't know where the money went to. It just went to some seller on Amazon who probably got these shipped over from China, marked them up, made a profit, and it went into his pocket. So I don't really care about that mouse mat. But this mouse mat, this is in support of a creator. I would happily pay more to support him and to have something that is, you know, from or by him, or a collaboration from him. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. He did a pretty funny commercial on this.
Warning, may cause headaches, hurt wallets, marriage problems, bonding, resellers, losing it all in crypto, sleep apnea, nosebleeds, shingles, sick ass headshots, nausea, and erectile dysfunction. And it may not have improved my gameplay at all, but I definitely got my confidence back. Space cables and bad seed tech. It works.
I like the sense of humor. I like the supporting kind of like the creators and small business aspect of this. So yeah, super happy I bought this mouse mat. The next package is going to be this one with the big flammable batteries in it. A company reached out to me asking if I would be interested in checking out their RGB tube lights, and I was like yes, because if you've been watching the channel at all or follow me on social media, you'll know that I am obsessed with RGB tube lights. I actually have 2 running behind the window here. I made 4 of them, but they are wired, so the annoying thing is that they have to be tethered or connected to an outlet. I always wanted kind of some wireless battery operated ones so that I can move them without first of all, these sensitive, stupid RGB wires. If you even breathe on them, they'll flicker. Like here, let me try to move this. And yeah, so if I took this one and if I move it, whoops, yeah, see, it already disconnect. Oh, and it's off. So it is a little bit annoying how sensitive they are. It's just RGB connectors suck. It's not just these tube lights. If you've ever connected an RGB connector to your motherboard, you may have noticed some of them are just super loose. It's a little bit annoying, but they do get the job done in terms of the aesthetic, giving you a glow. But a company reached out and asked if I was interested in checking out their battery operated tube lights. These are from a company called Goldox, and I believe these are 30 centimeters, so they are quite a bit shorter than the ones that I made. Here it is. I was thinking it was gonna feel cheaper, but yeah, this feels pretty good in the hands. So let's see if I can turn this on at all. Okay, that's pretty bright. Oh yeah. Just using the wheel, I can scroll through the different colors. Wow, okay, so in terms of brightness comparison, I'm holding them the same distance away. This one, oh, it's way brighter. I'm blinding myself. Let me open up the other one. Let me get this one on. And I'll change the color as well. These are pretty awesome. They feel like pretty high quality too. The only thing I don't know about is the battery life. I'm definitely gonna have to play with these a little bit more so I can form an opinion. These are a bit expensive. Most RGB tube lights are, especially these wireless ones with the batteries in them. If you are like a content creator, a photographer, a filmmaker, then these could be pretty good investments for, you know, the light that they do emit and the effects that you can get from them. I'm super excited to start using these alongside my current tube lights to achieve some pretty cool lighting. So yeah, we will... Oh my goodness, I'm blinding myself every time I face that towards me. Alright, on to the next package. I actually have no idea what this package is. I checked my P.O. box and this was just in it. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to open it. Uh-oh. Of course, I cut the box that's inside of it by going too deep. Oh, what is this? Pink box with a pink bow and what looks to be like an ornament or something on the inside of it. Hello Nerd on a Budget. Greetings for the day. I'm Scarlett from Fly Nova Team. Please check out details on our Indiegogo page. They just went ahead and sent me like this toy thing. Feels like kind of like a cheap toy, but I think what it is like a lightweight plastic toy with propellers in there. So I think what we do... Oh, stop. Okay, I'm not sure what got that to go, but let's see. But, oh my goodness. Apparently you just shake it. Let me see. Huh? Or not? Oh, yep. Yeah, so you just shake it. And then it goes. So I can do both of these. There we go. Jeez. But yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. They just went over into the corner of the room and crashed against the wall. So they stopped spinning once they crashed. I'm going to leave a link for this down below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I'm in no way endorsing it or recommending you to buy it, but I think they are kind of interesting, so if you did want to check it out and learn more, definitely do your own research to see if these products suck or not. This is the last package, which I know which one this is from because it says right on the box, this is from Kingston. One of the reps reached out to me and said, hey, we're launching our new brand, which is Fury. Their RAM or their memory brand is going to be called Fury from now on. We're going to be working on some other stuff in the future, in future videos, so be on the lookout for that. Their new branding and logo. This is supposed to be like a welcoming care package. Let's see what they have inside. Thank you, Kingston. New Era 3930. So it's got that sticker there. So here's the hat. And yeah, another hat for my collection because I do like to wear hats in my videos sometimes. We have a beanie, which will be nice for the Seattle cold weather. Right now it's the summer, so this won't be useful, but in the winter, to keep my ears and my head warm, got this beanie. Alright. We have a pretty soft shirt. Let me put this on right now, actually. Ooh, it smells so new, like factory. Alright, and then... a zip-up hoodie, yes! I need more of these. This is pretty nice. It actually has like a design down the sleeves as well. So it's not just like a front side logo hoodie. Yeah, it feels nice. Let me put this on. We're in the dead middle of summer, but you know what? Gotta try this on. Alright. So we have that, and is there anything else in here? Nope, that is it. I'm actually looking forward to working with Kingston. I actually have not worked with them directly before. I've used their products, but I've never directly worked with them. So I'm excited to finally start doing that. There's still a whole bunch of companies that I haven't ever worked with, but slowly they've been reaching out to me, and if it makes sense, then I tell them, yeah, I'm down to work with you. But yeah, I want to thank you all as always for watching and for supporting the channel. Let me know if you've picked anything up recently, if you replaced any peripherals. If you're into RGB tube lights like me, if you thought that weird Fly Nova toy thing was cool, yeah, just let me know down in the comments below. I will see you down there as well as in the next video. Bye.